Starting at the home page on WeatherTap, you can find satellite imagery through this top tab labeled Satellite. By clicking Satellite Home, you'll be redirected to the GOES Satellite Imagery selection page. On the left-hand side of the page, you have all the different regions to view. And in the center here, you have a full disk of the east and west sides of the planet, as well as the east and west views of the continental United States. For tracking storms in the US, GOES East will give you the best view. Looking at GOES East here, we can then navigate the different satellite types over your specific selected region. You can look at visible satellite imagery. Visible satellite imagery shows you low level clouds. The colorized version is the same as the visible, just in color. You can then look at infrared and enhanced infrared. This shows you temperatures, specifically cold and high cloud tops. And then water vapor and enhanced water vapor, showing you areas with dry and moist air throughout that column of air in the atmosphere. An enhanced version of any satellite type is just a colorized version. It helps to distinguish and interpret the satellite imagery a little easier. Scrolling down, you can personalize your imagery with animations, pausing, stopping, speeding it up, and zooming in, as well as some overlays. Cities is shown here, county boundaries shown here. Overall, it's very personalized and very easy to navigate. And that's how you navigate it.